So it's a different. One thing is a goal-directed thing, which your brain might have a particular goal, right? What we understand as free will. So it depends on what you. It depends on how you define free will, right? If by free will, the way I understand free will is that you, as you understand yourself, have a choice to do something. But that's not really the case, because every choice you think you're doing is preceded by neural activity that makes you think that you are doing that. Right? So your awareness of doing anything cannot get ahead of whatever neural activity triggers that awareness. And there has been, but that doesn't mean that your brain itself can deliberate, can imagine, can plan. We can obviously plan. We can obviously do it. Animals can do it. And we are aware that we are doing it. But all our awareness is behind. It might be useful to, for this same process of deliberation, to try to imagine consequences, to try to, to have this ability of, we call it modeling our own behavior and our own emotions, and it's a way of explaining what is happening inside us. But that part of the brain seems to be like more of a passenger going along to what is happening. It might contribute a bit, but it's everything that happens in your sensations, in your perceptions, is preceded by some neural activity. It's like if you are seeing me right now, it's because your cells in your retina are firing to the changes in light, right? So it's the same for everything. At least we haven't found any other explanation of how the brain works or how we behave, right? This taps into this duality of mind and brain, whether it's the same thing or it's not the same thing. And there are neuroscientists that advocate for the duality, right? That the mind is something else and the brain is something. They can be separated. There's no evidence for this, at least according to me and many others. I wanted to say something else. The fact that you feel you have free will. That's a very interesting question. Not you, everyone. I also feel I have free will. It could be. I don't know what will happen if we will really be aware that we are not. You might feel prisoner inside your own brain or something. So that could be very incompatible with intelligence, maybe. So there's the trick that the brain might play us so that we behave the same way, the way we do, that I don't have the answer to.
I think we could be here until tomorrow going through this, to be honest. There's a whole other esoteric conversation that we could fall down many rabbit holes. But it's a fair question. It's a good question.
Yeah.